Root barriers are rigid but flexible mechanical barriers used to guide tree roots down and away from paved areas such as sidewalks and paths. This video will explain how to assemble 5 UB18 root barrier panels for a surround application where there are hardscapes on all 4 sides. To begin assembly, identify the top of the panel by the double top edge. Each panel has a built-in zipper joiner that makes assembly easy. Simply slide the panels together using your thumb as a guide, keeping the double-topped edge at the top. Once you have made the initial insertion, they will zip right together. For a surround application, it's easiest to begin assembling the panels with the ribs facing away from you. After you've connected all 5 panels in a line, slide the edges of the 2 ends together to form a circle, making sure that the ribs are now on the inside where they will face the tree. This is essential as the ribs are the mechanism that guide the tree roots down and away from the hardscape you are protecting. Place the circle of barriers into the tree opening. The double top edge of the barrier should be 1/2 inch to 1 inch above soil grade. Plant the tree in the center. When installed properly, root barriers will prevent roots from heaving the surrounding hardscape as trees grow and mature. For more information on root barrier sizes and applications, please visit www.deeproot.com.